Univision said Thursday it's named former Goldman Sachs executive Francisco Frank Lopez-Balboa its new CFO effective immediately. Univision is the largest Spanish-language broadcaster in the U.S., and it's preparing an initial public offering that could raise $1 billion and value the company at $20 billion. Lopez-Balboa was most recently managing director and head of telecom, media, and technology investment-grade financing at Goldman Sachs. Lopez-Balboa replaces Peter Lorre, who has been interim CFO since February.